Hello and welcome back to a new video. In this video I'll show you how to sign up into your Noom account. For that you need to go and open your app. Now you need to tap on get started button. Here you need to enter your email and your password and tap on continue button, and it will start to sign you in. And now it will ask you some questions. Just fill in these details, and once you complete these questions I'll show you how to what to do. Now it is calculating my fat loss pace, and once it reaches 100%, it will give you this program plan, and you can try it for free by tapping on here. And you need to simply enter your preferred first name and tap on next button, and it will ask you to do this quiz. Just tap on start your quiz button, and after you finish the quiz it will start to analyze your profile, and then tap on continue button. Now it will start to build your plan according to your psychology. Now it will start to analyze your demographic profile, database, and everything. Now it will ask you, do you eat roughly at the same time for each meal? Just select your answer, and it will ask you how you do whole day. Do you typically stand on your feet or sit most of the time? And select your options. And after everything reaches 100%, it will build your profile and create a personalized program, and it will tell you how much lose you can weight within how much period of time, and tap on next button. Now it will tell you to start your 15 days. Now it will ask you to start your 7 days trial. Just tap on continue button, and that is how you can sign up into your Noom app. I hope this video helped you out. If you have any questions or queries, just let us know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.